Hi there, welcome to Easy Chinese with Miss L. I am Miss L, 吕老师. Let's start our super easy Mandarin 101 class today. Wait, hey, you said Mandarin, but also Chinese. Are these two the same thing? Alright, here is our first point. Is Mandarin the same as Chinese? Not exactly. Mandarin is the standard official form of Chinese language. We call it 普通话, literally means common speech. China has a lot of other dialects such as Cantonese, Shanghai 话, Sichuan 话, Minnan 话, etc. They are all Chinese. But Mandarin is the language that every single Chinese person can speak and understand. And if you want to learn Mandarin properly, Pinyin is your first step. Pinyin. Pin means spell. Yin means the sound. So when you've learned Pinyin, you will know how every Chinese character is pronounced. And if you want to type Chinese on a computer or a mobile, we also use Pinyin. And when you hear a character that you don't know, you can look it up in a dictionary with its Pinyin. So, master Pinyin, you'll be able to learn all the Chinese characters by yourself. Chinese characters, we call them 汉字. 汉字 are what we use to read and write Chinese. Every character has its own meaning, and we put them together to make words and sentences. Great! Now you get the basic concepts. Now let's get straight to the basic Pinyin at once. Today we are covering 6 core finals. A, O, E, I, U, Ü. Now number 1. A. A is like A in father. Read after me. A. 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 Number 2. O. O is like O in soul. O. 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 Number 3. Is like in her. Number 4. E. E is like E in sea. E. 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 Number 5. U. U is like U in shoe. U. 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 Number 6. Ü. Now pay attention here. Purse your lips into a tiny O shape, like you are blowing a kiss. And your tongue stays forwards like you are saying shh. Now then try. Ü. 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 Now quick review. 6 core finals. A is like A in father. A. O is like O in soul. O. Is like in her. E is like E in sea. E. U is like U in shoe. U. Ü. Lips make a tiny O, tongue up front like saying shh. Ü. Now we mark the tones on them. Pinyin has 4 tones. First tone, 一声. Second tone, 二声. Third tone, 三声. And fourth tone, 四声. Now listen. First tone, 一声. A. A is like when you are singing Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, So. Keep it high and flat. Read after me. A. 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 Second tone, 二声. Raise your voice like a question. What? Ah. 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 Third tone, 三声. Ah. Drop your voice first and then rise up. Like shall we? Shall. Ah. 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 And fourth tone, 四声 Ah, like when you suddenly fall down. Oh no. Ah. 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 Now get it? Quit with real. Four tones. First tone 一声 ah. Second tone 二声 ah. Third tone 三声 ah. And fourth tone 四声 ah. Now time for O. First tone 一声 O, do re mi fa sol. O, O, O. Second tone 二声 O like question what? O, O, O. Third tone 三声 O like shall we? Shall. O, O, O. Fourth tone 四声 O like you suddenly fall down. Oh no. Oh, oh, oh. Now get it? Oh, 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 oh. Now, first tone 一声 do re mi fa sol. Second tone 二声 question what? Third tone 三声 shall we? Shall. And fourth tone 四声 oh no. So E. Could we do it directly now? E. First tone 一声 E. Second tone 二声 E. Third tone 三声 E. And fourth tone 四声 E. U. First tone 一声 U. Second tone 二声 U. Third tone 三声 U. Fourth tone 四声 U. And U. First tone 一声 U. Second tone 二声 U. Third tone 三声 U. And fourth tone 四声 U. Above are the 6 core finals, and let's move on to 8 simple initials. And you will find that initials are quite like English consonants. Now listen. Or, pour, more, for, the, n, l. Or, pour, more, for, the, n, l. Pay attention here. When you say n, you can feel your nose vibrating. N. Can you? N. But when you say l, nothing happens in your nose, but your tongue is moving. L. Initials. Or, pour, more, for, the, n, l. Great job picking up all these basic sounds. Now here is the fun part. We put these sounds together to spell a Chinese character. We call it syllable. A syllable is how a Chinese character sounds. Syllable may have 3 parts. An initial, that's our consonants like bo, po, mo, fo, the, n, l. A final like a, o, e, u, yu, and a tone. Let's see how they work. This is bo, this is a, and a tone. Bo, a, ba means 8. Bo, a, ba means to pull up. Bo, a, ba means a handle. For ba means that. See, different tones, different characters, different meanings. Try some more. For pa, mo ma, for fa, de wu du, te yi ti, ne yu nu, and le yu lu. Lu is my family name. Remember, I am Lu Lao Shi, Miss Lu. Sometimes a syllable can be just one final, like means surprise, or means really, means hungry. Super easy, right? Congratulations, you got it! Homework time! Review the keynotes and practice the 4 tones of 6 finals we've learned today, like o. Keep going like this maybe 10 times or 20 times until it sticks. Recognize and remember the tone marks, and then try to spell these characters by yourself. Great job for today, everyone! You've learned so much Chinese. Like and subscribe Easy Chinese with Miss L. I will be back with more fun Easy Chinese next time. See you! 再见!